What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. It is a cold and windy day here in Eastern Tennessee. As you can see, we are at my new shop. Yes, I bought a house recently and now I finally have an awesome space to work in. There is actually HVAC in here, which is cool. No more sweating like crazy, but today we're working on the F-150, so I've been working outside. As you can see, I've installed some fender flares, and silly me, all my camera batteries were dead, so I didn't get to film any of that for you guys, but I got everything installed. These are Bushwhacker fender flare extensions, and I opted to do the OEM style with the stealth mounted hardware, so there's no rivet holes. This is totally reversible, not that I ever would. I just don't like the style of the rivets. I know a lot of people do that on trucks. I'm just not a fan. This mounts with stealth hardware. It is not taped on. People think that these just get taped on. They do not. There are bolts along the underside. I don't know if you can really see them. You can see that one right there. But basically what you do is you kind of test fit it with the OEM mounting points on the front and back, and then you mark with a marker where the clips need to go in the rear, and then they give you clips that basically clip onto the fender. That's what you screw the hardware into. In the front, you actually use the OEM mounting locations, but they give you a bracket that actually screws in with the factory 7 mils, and then that gets hidden because they have clips on them that you actually install. I don't know if you can really see this because of all the glare, but there are some bolts here that the screws that they provide go into the clips, and it gives your truck a way more aggressive look. It's about 2 inches on each side, as you can see, and I'm really happy with how it came out, but it's missing one thing. I don't know, this wheel fitment is pretty whack. Let's see if we can fix that. Bam, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man, guys, the truck looks totally different. Check this thing out. I'm pretty happy with how this came out. However, we have a couple minor fitment issues here because of the aggressive offsets. It doesn't look too crazy. Sorry for the wind. It doesn't look too crazy because of the fender extension, but I had to do some trimming here. I'm gonna smooth this out, but I had to do some trimming here, and I think I'm gonna have to actually trim. I gotta put that piece back in, but I think I'm gonna have to actually trim the fender extension and the liner in here, because when I turn the other way, this outside will hit here. So if I turn, this is the left side of the car, so if I turn left, so the wheel goes like this, right, it'll actually hit right about here. So I need to do some trimming to overcome some of those fitment issues, but honestly, besides that, I think it's good. The front's not hitting anymore after I trim that stuff. It's just the back of the tire that's hitting, but that's really not that bad. I kind of expected it to almost be a little worse. Overall, pretty happy with how this came out. Let me know what you guys think of the wheel choice in the comments. I got a stack of parts waiting for this truck in the garage. I was in the process of moving, so I haven't really worked on it, but we're getting rid of all the chrome stuff, so those F-150 badges are going. I have a blackout grill for it. I'm actually going to get replacement bumpers and have them painted, so we have all, you know, white truck, black accents. That pretty much does it. I know this is a short video, but, you know, first couple truck mods, easy stuff first. Oh, it is worth mentioning that I did level the truck already. I did that over the winter. We got a lot of snow. We were in my friend's shop. It was dark, wasn't a good place to film, and we were just trying to get it done. So it has the Roush suspension on it already. So it is a 2-inch front level. So it's not lifted, but it is just leveled out, so it sits even front and rear. And I think it came out really good. And I did, like I said, the OEM style fender flares. I didn't like the riveted look, so I didn't go that route. Not bad for first couple mods. You know, we did an exhaust already. I think that's all I've done so far, but like I said, I have a stack of parts waiting in the shop. We got a nice new shop here. It's a little messy right now, but plenty of room for activities in here. Stay tuned for a lot more content. I still have Still have some stuff to do. I ripped out some cabinets over there. I'm gonna probably rip this cabinet out too, so that I can put like another toolbox here, and over there I'll put some more shelving and stuff for storage. So, you know, it's coming along though. And the shop is climate controlled. I have it turned off right now because I have the door open. It has full HVAC, heat and air conditioning, so that's awesome. So I don't have to like sweat and be uncomfortable and blah, blah, blah when I'm trying to work on my cars. So I'm really excited for this, just for myself, but obviously for the channel, it's gonna bring a whole new element to it as well. So I hope you guys are excited for what is to come. Let me know in the comments what you think of the truck and what other kind of stuff that you'd like to see on the channel in the coming months. As usual, I hope this video is entertaining, and I'll see you guys next time.